Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channels. Google Meet web browser is not working. The website open but in issues problems. The issues Google's error code 502 this any error. The server has been entered temporarily error and the could not completed. Please your report. Please try to again and 30-second and error show problem. But any problem, the update this video to watching and properly the short video and helpful. First of all, the internet connection, the checkings and router, the Wi-Fi connection, the reset now. Second step, the status updated the check-in. Officially, the status updated the checking has been Google Meet out of reporting has been 91 for reporting problems has been server issues problems. And officially the apps to open the share error problem. Officially the team the recommended problem update. Thanks for watching this video.